Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Rite Aid. You probably can't see it, but we're here to do some deals for the week of the 12th through the 18th, and I am very, very excited about Rite Aid. I love Rite Aid. It's my favorite. I tried to do a video last week before I went to work, but I messed up the actual filming part of it and I wasn't able to fix it because I was at work. And then it was too late. So I really wanted to do a Rite Aid video last week, but we're definitely doing one this week because you're watching it. And I think we got a lot of really great deals. Now, this week we have a spend $30, get $5 in bonus cash on top of the deals we're already doing. I want to do at least 3 transactions, possibly 4. It depends on if I have an offer on Ibotta that resets. If I do, then I definitely want to do it. So we have 4 barcodes that we can use for our bonus cash. We also have a 5 off 25, and we have a couple of those, and we have a 5 off of 15. And we're just going to be using a few printable coupons, and it's going to be great. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we're going to do is on the Imodium. It's part of a promotion where you spend $30, you get back $12 in bonus cash. I don't think I've ever done an Imodium deal. And when you don't have a gallbladder, sometimes this is very helpful to have. So these are on sale for $12.99. We are going to grab 2 of them, but we need to spend $30. So after grabbing 2 of these, I'm going to grab something cheap that is included, and that is a Band-Aid at $5.29. So that is going to bring our total up to $31.27. I have 2 $3 printable coupons that I am going to be using, so that'll take $6 off. And then I'm going to use a 5 off of 15 coupon that I got from Real Deals. So then that's going to make my total $20.27. But then I'm going to get back $17 in bonus cash alone. So then I'm going to submit my receipt to Activate Rewards, which will be linked down below. And I'll get back a $10 Visa card for spending $30. That's going to make all 3 of these free in a $6.73 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. So next we're going to grab some Lysol. Now this one might not be the cheapest, but it's still going to be a really good deal, I think. So certain Lysol products this week are on sale for $7.49, no bonus cash back. I'm going to grab 3 of them, and I originally was going to grab the smaller one, but I ended up putting it back and decided to grab 2 of the Airwick starter kits that are on sale for $5.99. Make sure you grab 2 of the vibrant kind because I had to put one back, but you're going to see in the cart the 2 that I have in my hand. That'll make our total $34.45. We have a $1 load to card coupon for the Lysol. I also have a $1 printable that I'm going to use, and I'm going to submit to Shop.with for another $1 on the 3rd one. Then I have a $7 load to card coupon for the Airwick, and if that doesn't come off, then we can submit to Shop.with for $7 off of 2, but you need them to be the vibrant ones for the Shop.with. Then I'm going to use a 5 off of 15 coupon. And it does go without saying that with all but one transaction that I'm doing, I am scanning the spend $30, get back $5 in bonus cash. So our total will be $21.45. We will get back $5 in bonus cash for spending $30. But then we're going to also submit our receipt to Ibotta. I'm going to get back $1.50 on each one, and it's double attaching for me, so I'll get back an additional 75 cents on each one. So $6.75 back on Ibotta. I also have a Lysol bonus cash challenge. So I will hit the 2nd tier and I'll get back $4 for spending $18. That's my 2nd tier for my Lysol bonus cash challenge. So I'll get back an additional $4. And that'll make our total for all 5 items just $3.70, and we've got money makers to cover that. but even at $3.70, I would be really happy with that. So the next transaction, I am not using the booster. I am just going to grab the Crest. Now, the Crest is buy one, get one 50% off, buy three, get five with a limit of 2. Now, you can get any kind of Crest product that's marked, but my dad is super picky and he likes the bare bones Crest. So my store has them for $2.99. I am going to grab 5 of them, and then I'm going to grab this one here for $4.99 because I have a bonus cash challenge that I would like to meet. So I'm going to be grabbing 6 total tubes of Crest toothpaste. Now the total for these 6 tubes here will equal out to $15.44. Now I needed to spend 14 for a bonus cash challenge, and I needed to spend 15 to use the 5 off of 15 coupon. So we're at $15.44. I have a $1 digital coupon that I'm going to use, and I have a 5 off 15 coupon. I'm going to add something else into that. So we'll just do the math first for the Crest. So like I said, $15.44 minus $1 for the digital and the 5 off of 15. So we'll pay $9.44. We'll get back $10 in bonus cash, plus we're going to get back $4 for spending $14 in a Crest bonus cash challenge. But since I'm using a $1 digital coupon, I need to be at $16 to use that digital with that 5 off of 15. So I wanted to find a cheap filler item. And I knew that there was a ton of hair care clearance. So I saw this Pure Zero conditioning spray for 50% off for $3.89. And there's a $3.50 rebate on Ibotta for it. So we're going to grab this, and so our third transaction will be the Crest and the Pure Zero. Our total will be $19.33, and we'll use a $1 digital for the Crest and the 5 off of 15. So then that'll make our total $13.33. We will get back $10 in bonus cash, plus $4 for the bonus cash challenge, and $3.50 on Ibotta. And then that will make our total for everything free and the $4.17 moneymaker. Merry Christmas, Dad. You're going to get your favorite toothpaste. I'm just kidding. So now we're going to do one more transaction on a separate account. We're going to do the spend 30, get back 12 again. And we are going to grab baby products. We're going to grab the Johnson's hand and face wipes priced at $4.99. And they're buy one, get one 50% off. So one is at $4.99 and one is at $2.49. We are going to grab 2 of these. Then we're going to grab some Johnson's baby powder and baby wash. They're priced at $7.69 a piece. So grabbing 4 of them, 2 of them will be $7.69. The other 2 will bring up at $3.89. You can grab whatever combination you like, but this is what I'm going to grab. Now you will want to include something cheap. I threw in a candy bar for $1.69. So with the Johnson products and the candy bar, my total will equal out to $32.24. I have a $1.50 off 2 digital that I'm going to use. I'm going to submit my receipt to Shop.with for the other $1.50 off 2 back. I got that idea from Real Deals. We're going to use a 5 off 15 coupon. That'll make our total $24.24. We're going to get back $5 for spending $30 and $12 for the spend 30, get 12. And we're going to submit our receipt to activate rewards because you can do that a limit of 2. I do 2 on my computer and then 2 on my phone with different accounts. So anyways, then that's going to make all of these items free and a $2.76 moneymaker. That is everything that we're grabbing today. Now let's go out to the car and take a look at the receipts and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Rite Aid, and yes, I have made a bit of a costume change, but some things come up and I needed it needed my attention. And so I thought, you know what, I'll just finish the other part in the morning, and that's when I'm uploading it anyway, so it'll be fine. So I did 4 transactions, and I had a couple of issues, but nothing I'll just talk about when we get there. So I had we'll start with the first transaction. I had the Imodium. So with that, I had 2 printable coupons that I was going to use. But I know that there was insert coupons. I don't have inserts. I haven't been getting inserts. So I thought I would just use the printables. And they didn't scan. And I've never had a message like this before anywhere. So it scanned and it beeped and it said, do not manually override this coupon. It's not a valid coupon. Please hand it back to the customer. And I was just shocked, absolutely shocked. I know some people have had issues with their printables lately, but yeah, that printable, it didn't work. Now, I used a printable that I printed the same day in another transaction, and that worked totally fine. So I don't know what happened there. So anyways, I had a $3 digital come off, and I'll show it right here. I had a $3 digital come off, and I submitted my receipt to Shop.with. So the math is still the same. It just 2 $3 coupons didn't come off. So like I said, with that transaction, I had the Imodium and I had the Band-Aids. I used that 5 off 15 coupon. That's the only coupon I used all day. I used the 5 off 15 coupon. I had a $3 digital come off. So my total was $23.27. I got back $17 in bonus cash, $12 for the deal and $5 for the booster. I got back $3 from Shop.with. I'll get back $10 on the Activate Rewards promotion. And then I got back 374 points, which is 75 cents, making that transaction free and a $7.48 moneymaker, which I cannot believe I was able to get Imodium for something like that, or with that price. And then with that transaction, I got a $2 Lubriderm coupon, and I got an 11 off of 55, which will come in handy next week because we have a booster of spend 50, get 15. I figured we'd have a good booster like that because of Black Friday. So I put on some... I don't know how to respond to that. My watch does that sometimes. I put on some makeup, but it feels like when I put my glasses on, it looks like my face is dirty. Now for the next transaction, I did the Lysol. Now the Lysol was on the same account as the Imodium. And so I was at the register, and at this store, which I think is nice, is that they had one of those boosters on the screen for the cashier to scan for everybody, which is great, I think. But like I said, I did the Lysol and the Imodium on the same account. So I went to give her the other, another booster for like email. And so she scanned the one on the register first. Then she scanned the one for the email. I said that one probably won't work because it's only one time per account, but we get 4 different boosters. And she said, okay, so she scanned the email. And then she went back and she scanned the one on her screen. And she's like, it's okay. I've used this multiple times before. And I'm thinking, Lord, no, you haven't, I swear. But I didn't say that. So needless to say, I did not get back the $5 in bonus cash. So I'm going to contact customer service today and get the $5 in bonus cash. So with this transaction, I had the Lysol and the Airwick, and my total was $27.44. I used a $1 printable for the Lysol and a $1 load to card coupon for the Lysol. I did have a 7 off of 2 digital for the Airwick, but it did not come off. So my total was $27.44. I should get back the $5 in bonus cash. I'll get back $4 for a bonus cash challenge in the Lysol for reaching the 2nd tier. And then I submitted my receipt to Shop.with and got back $8 there. I already got the money back for that. And so then I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got back $6.75. And I also got back 63 cents for getting back 313 points. So that made that transaction just $3.69, which is incredible. Just incredible. And then I also got a coupon, an Aveeno coupon. So there's an Aveeno deal going on right now, and this is $2.50 off. So that's awesome. Then the next transaction, like I said in the video, I did not use the booster for this one because I just wanted to get the Crest. I didn't want to get any more because my Lysol was a little bit more using bonus cash than I had liked. So I didn't want to do a small or a bigger transaction, which it isn't bigger, but you know what I mean. So we got the Crest and we got the Pure Zero. And then, so with this transaction, I only used the 5 off of 15 and I used the $1 digital coupon. I have these two receipts with me in the car. So you can see that right there. There's the $5 and there is the $1 digital for the Crest. And my total was $13.33. I got back $10 in bonus cash for doing the Crest deal twice. Then I got back $4 from a bonus cash challenge for the Crest. I also got back $3.50 on Ibotta for the Pure Zero and 39 cents because I got back 193 points. That makes that transaction free and a $4.56 moneymaker. So super happy with that one. I didn't need the booster, but I didn't want to add another $15 worth of stuff just to get, you know what I mean? It would have worked out. It would have been a great deal, but there's that. And then I got back another 11 off of 55. Then the last transaction we have is the Johnson's & Johnson's. So with that transaction, I just used a $5 off of 15 coupon and a $1.50 digital. By using the 5 off 15, you don't need to go, since you're already getting $30 worth of stuff, you don't need to really go that far over the $30 because of, you know, technicalities and things like that. With my $1.50 digital and the 5 off of 15, I technically needed to spend $16.50, but because we're already spending $30, we don't have to worry about it. That's why I was using the 5 off of 15. So my total after coupons was $25.73. I got back $17 in bonus cash, 12 for the deal and 5 for the booster. I got back $1.50 on Shop.with for the Johnson & Johnson's items because there's $1.50 off of 2 on there. I'll get back $10 for another Activate Rewards promotion card, and then 64 cents because I got back 322 points. That makes that transaction free and a $3.41 moneymaker. And I've never had a problem with having like a store coupon attached to an item and not get my Activate Rewards promotion back. I just never had that problem. So that's why I just went right at the $30 with the Johnson & Johnson items. And then I got a Johnson & Johnson coupon, which with having the Aveeno and the Johnson & Johnson promotion going on, I think that's really nice that they were printing. So what does that make my total for everything? Well, my total for everything today was everything was free and a $12.12 moneymaker. And I think that's amazing. I got baby stuff. I got Lysol wipes. I got Imodium. I'm really happy. Then I went and picked up my prescription and I got a 5 off of 20. I got a 5 off of 20. I thought that was amazing. Oh, I couldn't believe it. And I might have gotten another 11 off of 55 on one of the transactions. I couldn't remember. But I've got plenty of coupons, plus the 5 off of 15 and the 5 off of 25 for next week. So I'm really, really happy. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.